Hello and welcome to Humzabaan. My name is Tanzeel Rahman. In our learning series, now we are going to focus on more reading. In our last session, we focused on how to start reading sentences, how to use the various tools that we have in doing spellings, listening to the audio, looking at the Roman text, and in a very simple manner, used everyday conversation between kids. So we had our characters, Ali, Samir, and Zoya, through which we learned how to read those simple conversations. Today, we are going to extend it further. And in our course scheme, we have another one, which is called Mere Ird-Gird ka Mahaul, my surroundings. So what is around me? We're just going to focus on those. And we have again made it very simple. So if you see, there are various chapters. If you could see, it's to start with Mera Ghar, which is my house, Mera School, मेरे दोस्त, मेरी बिल्ली, ट्रेन का सफर, घड़ी, पतंग, गुलाब, मछली, मेरा नाम, निज़ाम शमसी, which is basically solar system. And then we talk about some specific planets, Zuhal or Miriq or Mushtri, Zahra and Uranus. So basically we are now going and talking about some of these specific planets, including our own planet, which is Zameen or Earth. So we just, the idea here is that we take topics and we read simple sentences about these topics and then respond to a quiz. So in the same manner, if you see, we have got Mera Ghar. Again, it will have an audio. It will have a picture for you to understand the context. And then simple sentences, very, very easily written with widely spaced so that you can understand. Now, for example, here, what is this? So again, we know that Urdu letters change their shape depending on whether they're in the beginning or in the middle or in the end, right? So usually the letter which starts showing, if you know, there are noktas here. These noktas are shown below for the letter ye when it is truncated. So if you're not clear, you click in here. You explore the spelling and it tells you that it is choti ye followed by a choti he, which is ye. So you say ye and ye, then we say, again, this is the hook of the meme. So we say meme, then again choti ye, because you can see two noktas below. There is a structure here, which is basically re followed by aleph. So it becomes mera. Any confusion, you just tap. You look at the spelling and it tells you it is meme, je, re, aleph, which obviously when you connect would become mera. It can also mean mira, because mira would also be written in the same fashion. But obviously the context is not mira, so you will figure out by logically understanding that it is mera. Right? So this is how it goes. Similarly, here if you see the word, it is double slashes here, which refers to gaf. Then there is very well-known letter, which is do chashmi, followed by a re. So it is ga, ha, ra, which is ghar. Again, not clear. You just double tap here. Look at your spelling. Say gaf, do chashmi, re, ghar, or gha. Anything followed by do chashmi would make it a sound like gha, kha. So it becomes gha, ra, ghar. So is that simple? The whole idea is that if anywhere you're stuck, you just tap, break it down. If you don't know the meaning, click on the meaning. And you simply read, ye, mera, ghar, hai. Hai is here, choti hai, followed by badi ye. It becomes hai. If you're still not clear, then you click on this I button and it tells you in Roman, ye mera ghar hai. Not clear, you have an audio that you can refer to. Whole objective is that you can use a transliteration, you can use a breakdown of that word into letters. You can use audio to ensure that you're able to read very easily, right? Similarly, you can move ahead. Now it talks about mere. This you've already heard earlier, mere. This word you've already seen before. Mere ghar mein char kamre aur ek bawarchi khana hai. You can keep reading like this. You can reveal to see if you've read correctly or not. Mere अम्मी अब्बू का कमरा मेरे कमरे के सामने है. मेरे बड़े भाई का कमरा छत पर है. मेरे घर में एक बड़ा बागीचा है. And it follows quiz time. You can go again the questions. घर में कितने कमरे हैं? Again there will be an audio to assist. You can try reading. 2, 3, 4, 5. I think it looks like 3 because अम्मी अब्बू का, मेरा और भाई का, but it looks like 4 कमरे हैं. I have not read it properly. They made a mistake. Then again, it will continue to read different questions. In the same manner, you can go to Mera School, you can go to Mere Dost, Meri Billi, and keep reading. The whole idea is that you read more and more and more. Go through each of the different topics, drill down, click and read the breakdown if you're not able to understand the word. You refer to the audio, you refer to the Roman text, and respond to the quiz and perfect your learning. So again, we are taking you a step by step into the process right from the beginning, where we introduce you the alphabet or the different letters in Urdu, and then followed by their shapes, the change of their shapes. We change you through what we call as the symbols or special symbols. We took you through the words. We look at the numbers. We took you through a very, very good set of vocabulary so that you understand the different words. And lastly, we brought it down to the reading. Happy learning. Again, look forward to meeting you in another session. Thank you.